Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reboot your Motorola MDC camera when it's not responding. And to do this you will need to get something thin like this SIM needle for the phone, and I would recommend using something that is not sharp so it has a blunt edge like this one. Then look right here, you can find mic and reset. Make sure that you use this hole, not this one, as that's the microphone and you might damage it. Then stick the needle in a gap and hold the button. Your camera will restart and it should be usable from now. You can also click on this button right here and hold it to power it back on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.